I'm showing you one mango gravy. Let's begin with, in a pot, I would boil some water. I'll wait for the water to boil. Now the water is boiling. I'm going to add in the mangoes. Switch off the flame, cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to roast the ingredients to make the masala. Few methi seeds, few cumin, few coriander seeds and some peppercorns and few red chilies, just few drops of oil. This with some grated coconut, I'm going to grind into a smooth paste. I shall make this a smooth paste. Now I will drain out the mangoes and peel them out. I have peeled in all the mangoes. I am ready to make the gravy now. I am going to add in some oil, going to add in some mustard, few curry leaves and the grinded masala. When you start getting the aroma, then you can add in the peeled mangoes, tamarind extract, some jaggery and some salt to taste. You can add the water here to adjust the consistency. Now it's almost 10 minutes. Yummy mango flavor. I have some hot rice, my favorite ghee. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Food.